Okay, guys, welcome back to another product review. This is Terrence McFadden, or Meet, Sleep, Repeat on Instagram. Today we are doing garlic and onion from Killian's Original. There we go. So the garlic and onion, um, pretty much anything that you would put, say, crushed garlic or whatnot on. This goes great on it. So, for example, I actually just used this seasoning yesterday on some T-bones. Came out great, perfect. Daughter loved them, wife loved them. This here is the perfect seasoning for the heavier meats or stuff that typically, if you went to a restaurant, would be more of your higher cost items. So your steaks, this will go great on pretty much any cut of steak. Just like I said, how the sweet and smoky rub was good on anything. This is steak's best friend. Another good thing that you could put this on is lamb. I made some lamb for the wife for her birthday. Put this on there. Came out perfect. They were basically miniature steaks. Uh, uh, the same way. The worst part with the sweet and smoky rub is the fact that the container isn't bottomless. The worst part about putting this on lamb is that the lambs are small. And so by the time they're all gone, you're like, well, dang, wish you had more. Uh, and it's great because you know when you go out to these nice restaurants and you're buying things like lamb, the porterhouse steaks or your filet mignons, you spend so much money that to just be able to go and buy, the exact same things from your local butcher or wherever. Order you some of the Killian's garlic and onion seasoning and put that on there and get a superior taste for less money. It's you can't beat it. Favorite dish I cooked with the garlic and onion seasoning. Late last year, 2024, I brought a beef tenderloin. The whole long thing. I seasoned it up with the garlic and onion seasoning. Tied it up with some butcher twine, and I stuck some garlic cloves, like whole, well, not whole, but garlic, yeah, whole garlic cloves. I stuck them, in various parts of the meat. Threw it on the smoker, cooked it up real good, and I did a reverse sear at the end. And once it was done, pulled it off the grill, took it in the house, let it rest for a little bit, and then I cut the Chateaubriand out, which is the most tender part of the tenderloin, between the head and the tail. Cut little, because I had tied it up with butcher's twine, I was able to cut little filet medallions out of it. This was the first time in my life using the garlic and onion seasoning on filet mignon. The first time in my entire life where I tasted food and I kid you not, I was starting to tear up a little bit. The taste, the texture, everything. It was that beautiful. I've never experienced anything like that when it comes to food. And I'm not exactly the smallest guy on planet Earth, so I've eaten some food in my day, but never ever has it been an experience like that. And so yeah, definitely recommend the garlic and onion for your, like I said, your higher end cuts of meat. So order that from Killian's Original, and Thank you for stopping by.